Anatomy of flowering plants. Have you ever wondered what makes flowers so special? Beyond their beauty, flowers are complex structures that help plants reproduce and thrive. In this video, we'll break down the anatomy of flowering plants in a simple yet detailed way. 1. Basic structure of flowering plants. Flowering plants, also known as angiosperms, are the most diverse group of plants on Earth, with over 300,000 species. These plants have two main systems. The root system. This anchors the plant in the soil and absorbs water and nutrients. The shoot system. This includes the stem, leaves, and flowers. The stem provides support, transports nutrients, and holds the leaves in place for photosynthesis. 2. The anatomy of a flower. Now, let's take a closer look at a flower, the most fascinating part of a flowering plant. A typical flower consists of four main parts. Sepals. These are the small, green, leaf-like structures that protect the flower bud before it blooms. Petals. Often colorful, petals attract pollinators like bees and butterflies. Stamens. These are the male reproductive organs of the flower. Each stamen has two parts. The anther, which produces pollen grains. The filament, which supports the anther. Carpels or pistils. These are the female reproductive organs and consist of the stigma, which receives pollen. The style, a tube that connects the stigma to the ovary. The ovary, where ovules develop into seeds after fertilization. 3. How do flowering plants reproduce? Reproduction in flowering plants happens in three main steps. 1. Pollination. Pollen is transferred from the anther to the stigma, either by wind, water, or animals. 2. Fertilization. A pollen tube grows through the style to the ovary, allowing sperm cells to fertilize the ovules. 3. Seed development and dispersal. Fertilized ovules become seeds, and the ovary develops into a fruit, helping in seed dispersal. 4. Interesting fact. Here's a cool fact. Did you know that the world's largest flower, Rafflesia arnoldi, can grow over 3 feet wide and smells like rotten meat? This odor attracts flies that help with pollination. 5. Why is this important? Understanding the anatomy of flowering plants isn't just about biology, it's crucial for agriculture, gardening, and environmental conservation. It helps in growing better crops, controlling pests, and preserving plant biodiversity. So, the next time you see a flower, take a closer look. There's an entire world of science happening inside. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing science content.